Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Yep.
Welcome to Johnston Canyon in Banff National Park, Alberta. This is one of the most popular and beautiful places to visit in the Canadian Rockies. Johnston Canyon was formed thousands of years ago by water cutting through limestone rock. The creek begins in the mountains near Castle Mountain and travels down to join the Bow River. The path along the creek is built with a mix of forest trails and sturdy catwalks attached to the canyon walls. The lower falls are about 1 kilometer from the parking lot. These falls drop about 10 meters into a small pool. A small bridge crosses in front of the falls, and there's even a tunnel you can walk through to get a closer view. People have been visiting these falls for over 100 years, enjoying the natural beauty of this special place.
Yep. Eh?
On essaie de
Accepting the fact. Ready?
Thanks for watching!